If you've ever edited one clip in CapCut and wished you could instantly apply the same look, effect, or transition to every other clip, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to apply settings to all in CapCut using 3 simple methods so you can save time, keep your edits consistent, and work much faster. We'll cover the Apply to All button for color and audio, copy and paste attributes for animations and effects, and a quick transition trick for making cuts flow smoothly. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing shortcuts. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about the easiest method, which is using the Apply to All button. This is the best option when you want every clip to have the same kind of color correction, filter, or audio adjustment. So to start, select one clip on your timeline that already has the settings you want, then look toward the upper right area of CapCut where you'll see the adjustment panel if you're changing color, or the audio panel if you're changing sound. From here, make your edits. You can adjust things like saturation, contrast, brightness, or volume until the clip looks or sounds exactly the way you want it. Once you're happy with the result, go all the way to the bottom of that panel and click the Apply to All button. CapCut will take those settings and apply them across your other clips, which is perfect when you want a consistent style throughout your entire video. This method is especially helpful if you're editing a vlog, a talking head video, or any project where you want all the footage to match visually. Instead of repeating the same adjustment over and over again, CapCut does the work for you in just one click. Just make sure the clip you choose is the one with the exact look you want, because whatever settings are active will usually become the base for the rest of the timeline. Now let's move on to the second method, which is copy and paste attributes. This is the method to use when you want to apply more advanced edits, like keyframes, scaling, positioning, animations, or heavy visual effects. It's also great when the Apply to All button isn't enough for the type of edit you're trying to duplicate. Start by selecting the clip that already has the style or effect you want, then press Ctrl+C to copy it. After that, select the clips you want to update. You can highlight them manually, or if you want to select everything in the project, you can press Ctrl+A. Once your target clips are selected, press Ctrl+Alt+V or Ctrl+Shift+V depending on your shortcut settings to open the Paste Attributes menu. In this menu, you'll see different properties you can copy over. For example, you might see Animation, Basic, or Effects. Check the boxes for the exact elements you want to apply, then hit Paste. This is a really powerful way to keep your edits consistent without copying everything blindly. For example, if you only want the motion and effects but not the crop or audio, you can choose just those parts. That means more control, cleaner editing, and fewer mistakes. This is the method I recommend when you're building a polished edit with repeated styles, because it gives you much more precision than a basic global apply button. If you've added a smooth zoom, a specific entrance animation, or a custom effect to one clip, you can duplicate that exact look across your other clips in just a few seconds. Next, let's look at the third method, which is the transition shortcut. This is perfect when you want the same transition style applied between your clips, especially if you want the video to feel smoother and more professional. To do this, go to the Transitions tab in the top left menu. Choose the transition you want, then drag it between any 2 clips on the timeline. Once it's placed, click directly on the transition icon or emblem on the timeline. When the settings box appears in the top right area, look for the Apply to All option and click it. CapCut will then use that same transition style across your cuts, helping the whole video feel more unified. This method is especially useful for montage edits, reels, tutorials, and fast-paced content where every cut needs a similar feel. Instead of manually changing each transition one by one, you can make the entire project look cohesive in just a few clicks. So to quickly recap, if you're working with color adjustments or audio volume, use the Apply to All button. If you're trying to copy animations, effects, or keyframed edits, use Copy and Paste Attributes. And if you want every cut to share the same transition, use the Transition shortcut and apply it to all from the Settings panel. Each method has its own purpose, and once you know when to use each one, your CapCut workflow becomes much faster and much easier. If this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and let me know in the comments what editing trick you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.